Hey Power Ladies, welcome back to Code in Heels, the place where smart code and confident style come together. If you've been wondering how to set up Visual Studio Code, aka VS Code, without feeling lost in all the menus and settings, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through the essentials of VS Code so you can jump straight into coding with style and ease. Think of this as your VS Code starter pack. No fluff, just what you need to hit the ground running. What exactly is VS Code? VS Code is a free, lightweight, and highly flexible code editor created by Microsoft. Unlike huge IDEs like Visual Studio or Eclipse, it's designed to be fast and customizable. Here's why developers love it. It runs on Windows, Mac, and Linux. It supports almost every programming language you can think of. And the real magic comes from extensions, little add-ons that transform it into the perfect tool for your project. So, if you're learning Python, building websites, or experimenting with data science, VS Code can adapt to your workflow. When you first open VS Code, you'll see the default dark theme. Honestly, it's sleek and easy on the eyes, but you don't have to stick with it. Here's how you can customize your editor's look. Open the Theme menu by going to File, to Preferences, to Themes. Then press Color Themes. Try out light, dark, or even high contrast themes. If you're feeling adventurous, browse the online marketplace for thousands of community themes. There are pastel themes, neon hacker aesthetics, even pink coder chic themes if you want your workspace to match your personality. Why does this matter? Because you'll spend hours looking at code. If your editor looks good, you'll feel good while coding. If you're coding in different places, like on your laptop at a cafe or on your desktop at home, you don't want to reset everything each time. That's where Settings Sync comes in. Just log in with your Microsoft or GitHub account and boom, your themes, extensions, and keyboard shortcuts travel with you. It's like packing your digital office in your handbag, stylish and practical. Here's the real game changer, extensions. Extensions are like apps for VS Code. They let you add features only when you need them. Some must-haves include Prettier automatically formats your code so it looks clean and professional. Live Server instantly refreshes your web page every time you save changes. Python, if you're learning Python, this extension gives you syntax highlighting, debugging, and more. Git Lens, a lifesaver for version control, showing who changed what in your code. Pro tip, don't go on an extension shopping spree. Start small, install what you need, and keep your workspace clean. VS Code has tools built in that can save you tons of time. Command palette, Control plus Shift plus P. Think of it as the search bar for everything. Can't remember a shortcut? Just type the command here. Integrated terminal, Control plus Grav accent. No more switching windows. Run Git commands, test scripts, or install packages right inside VS Code. Split editors. Need to compare two files? Open them side by side. Perfect for debugging or learning from reference code. Editor Playground. This is like a hidden training mode where you can practice shortcuts and features without messing up your actual projects. The more you use these tools, the faster and smoother coding becomes. Version control sounds scary, but VS Code makes it approachable. On the sidebar, you'll find the Source Control tab. From here, you can track changes in your files, stage and commit updates with a click, manage branches if you're working on bigger projects. Even if you're just coding solo, Git helps you keep track of your progress, like saving checkpoints in a game. And if you ever work with a team, Git will become your best friend. This is where VS Code really shines. You can, for example, change your font and even use fonts with ligatures like Fira Code, which makes operators look cleaner. How to set this up? Press Ctrl plus comma or Command plus comma on Mac to open settings, go to Text Editor and then to Font. And add Fira Code to Font Family. And now you see how, for example, this looks like a smooth connected arrow. If you don't have Fira Code yet, download it from the link in the description. Or you can define settings that apply only to a specific language. For example, different font sizes for PHP or JavaScript. Or you can define settings that apply only to a specific language. How to set this up? Open your settings.json and add, for example, the following line to PHP editor.fontsize 16 and this editor.fontsize 13 to JavaScript. And now when you look at a PP file, you see a different size. Then when you look to a JavaScript file, it might sound small, but these tweaks make your coding environment feel comfortable and truly yours. Messy code is stressful. That's why formatting is so important. Enable Format on Save, and VS Code will automatically clean up your code every time you hit save. How to set this up? Press Ctrl plus comma or Command plus comma on Mac. This opens the settings panel. Type Format on Save. You'll see this option. Just check the box. That's it. VS Code will now automatically format your file every time you save. With Prettier installed, it goes even further. It aligns your code to professional standards. By default, VS Code has basic formatting support, but you'll want a proper formatter for each language. How to set this up? Go to the Extensions sidebar, Ctrl plus Shift plus X. Search for Prettier, Code Formatter. Click Install. I have installed it already. Go to the settings.json by clicking in the right corner of your settings and add this line editor.defaultformatter : esbenp.prettier VS Code. I have done that already. Let's test it. Create messy code. For example, like this. Then hit Ctrl plus S. Boom! It should format automatically. So instead of worrying about where to put that semicolon, you can focus on solving real problems. Let's take a quick tour of Visual Studio Code, so you always know exactly where everything is. At the top bar, you'll see your tabs. That's where all your open files live. On the left sidebar, you'll find your Project Explorer, Search, Source Control, Debugging Tools, and of course, your extensions. Down at the bottom bar, you'll spot your status updates, like Git branches, errors, and notifications. And on the right side, you might see a few extra tools depending on which extensions you've installed. The best part? You can hide or rearrange almost everything. Keep it clean and minimal, or go all out with every tool at your fingertips. Either way, make it yours. By default, Windows users get PowerShell as their terminal. But you can easily change that to Git Bash, Z Shell, or whatever feels most comfortable for you. Just update your settings, restart Visual Studio Code, and boom, a small change that makes a big difference for your workflow. All right, here's how to set it up. Step 1. Open the command palette. You can do that by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and P. Step 2. Search for the option that says Terminal, select Default Profile. Step 3. Choose your preferred terminal. You'll see a list of available options. Click the one you want. For example, Git Bash. Step 4. Restart your terminal. Close the one that's open right now and reopen it by pressing Ctrl and the backtick key. That's the small one under the Escape key. And that's it. Your new default terminal is ready to roll. And there you have it, your starter guide to VS Code. From themes and extensions to Git and productivity hacks, you're ready to code like a pro.
If this was helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow power coders. On this channel, we believe that technology isn't just functional, it's fashionable too. Keep coding, keep creating, and remember, confidence is the best framework you'll ever use. See you in the next one.